Hi Rakesh. So I think your painting is coming along. What you need to work upon is understand how the color wheel is related to the portrait, right? So there is a warm light hitting the model's face. There is highlight on the forehead and it travels down to the nose, the lip, and a part of chin and beard. So on, right? It is also hitting the lower eyelid, part of upper eyelid, and the cheeks. But the majority light is around this area, and then slowly traveling down. The values on your portrait, the light source is okay, but the amount of values that you have used is less. That means there's this one value, then the second one, third one, and that's all. I would like you to increase your values. Increase the number of darker and lighter values, but also follow the color wheel. Now let's imagine the color wheel. Um, Let me open one. Okay, so I have the color wheel here. Right? Let's observe the form shadow color. This color here. So I think it starts around this side of the color wheel, but it's bit muted. So this swatch would lie somewhere here if you continue building this color wheel with tints, tones, shade, etc. So and then it travels all the way to the yellow one, the brightest light, right? So this form shadow must have a bit of ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, which would be this magenta color here that we have used, so that it looks pushed in the back. For now, I think you have used more of burnt umber. There is blue, definitely, but more of a purplish blue or a muted uh, ultramarine with algin crimson. That color is needed around here, or rose meadow, whatever. A red which is on a cooler side, right? And then slowly you move towards the light side, this skin value which has a bit of red, which has a bit of yellow, and as you move towards the highlight, it has more of yellow and white and the lighter values. You can also use pure white at some places, like the tip of the nose here. Again, your tip of the nose went a bit below. It's around this area. See, this is the nostril, or the bottom of the nose is all in shadow. It's all with the same color that I see here on the forehead. So I think pushing it a little more would make the entire process more interesting. Drawing is not an issue. The hair, the beard, the dress, the shirt and the coat, it's looking excellent. It's more about following the color wheel with the value pattern so that you get more volume onto the face. It's looking a little more flat. So what could you do so that the nose is pulled forward? So it's all about mixing the right color with the right value.